In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write to Chat GPT. We will walk through a simple conversation from your very first message to a quick follow-up so you can actually get useful answers. Open Chat GPT. Once you do that, you should see the main chat screen with a list of previous conversations on the side if you have used it before. In the center, there is usually a large empty area where answers will appear. At the bottom, you will see the message box where you will be typing. If you do not see the chat area, make sure the window is maximized so the full interface shows. Click the message box at the bottom. This is the space where you can talk to Chat GPT. When the box is active, you will see the text cursor blinking inside it, ready for you to type. If you click somewhere else by accident, just click back into the box to reselect it. Beginners sometimes start typing while another part of the page is selected, and nothing appears, so the blinking cursor is your visual confirmation. Type your question or request. You can be simple, like asking for a definition, or more detailed, like describing a situation and what you want as an outcome. For example, you might say, "Help me write a polite email asking for more time on a project." The clearer you are about context, length, and style, the closer the answer will match what you had in mind. You do not need perfect grammar, but avoid cramming several unrelated tasks into one message, or the reply may feel mixed. Click Send or press Enter. Once you do that, your message appears in the chat area, usually aligned on one side, and a typing indicator shows that ChatGPT is generating a response. If nothing happens, check that your internet connection is working, then press Enter again once. Do not send the same message many times very quickly, or you may see duplicate answers stacked together. Read ChatGPT's response. The answer will appear as a block of text in the chat area, often in several short paragraphs, sometimes with lists or steps if your request suggested that style. Take a moment to see if it actually addresses your question, including any details you mentioned, like tone or length. If part of the answer seems off, notice which phrase or detail was misunderstood, because you can fix that in your next message. Ask a follow-up question if you want more information. At this point, you can stay in the same conversation and type something like, "Explain step 2 more simply," or "Give me a shorter version." ChatGPT remembers the context of this chat, so you do not need to repeat everything. Just add or adjust what you want. A common beginner mistake is starting a brand new chat for every tiny change, which throws away context that could make the answer better. You have just learned how to open ChatGPT, send a clear first prompt, read the answer, and ask a helpful follow-up. If this helped you feel more confident writing to ChatGPT, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple walkthroughs like this.